Good morning, friends. I am Manoj Kumar. I am here to give an event about the development due to technological development is developed and the tradition is lost. I am here to give a positive about the tradition lost due to technological development. As nowadays technological is developed, so many of the people are depending on it. For example, I am supporting my effectiveness. For continue, today marriages are done. In earlier days, the marriages has been done in about 5 days by introducing all the people, all the relatives, and doing very effectively. They will involve only the marriage by introducing inviting their relatives, friends, and all their relatives, and they will enjoy the marriage, and they will do in a traditional way. But nowadays, due to technology, they are introducing meeting their male and female in an internet, and they are doing marriages. But they are not inviting any of the friends, and not following any of the lifestyles according to the traditions that are involved in marriages.
So it's not the involvement of all the people, because the two persons, that is male and female, marriages are now, society lives according to the technology and tradition. Actually society is developing about the people's if the people are happy and they well prosper in a culture or in a manner, then society admits that tradition. So tradition is not properly lost when the technology is developed. It's only changing its view. That is modernization, not that made that effect on the tradition. It changes the views and morals and ethics and values. That is, new values are evolved through the technologies.
Why should we understand the views and morals? It is an old lost traditions from the lost on.
That is not suitable for the modern fast world. It has to be modified. Some values have to be modified. Because, for example, you said marriages have been changed and male and female are meeting directly without inclusion of their family members. It is a well-planned program that their living will be prosper in the modern world, and they exchange their views for their further life, how they can live with their views. That is, both the characters can understand each other or not. They are checking themselves, but not ignoring the marriages and traditions. After that, they are performing the marriage in the inclusion of their parents and all the relatives.
But nowadays, according to the survey of the banks of Indians, but according to this, we cannot. About 90% of the people are not best related to these views. But only 10% are successful according to this tradition. But
that is based on the mindset of the people, but not the tradition. Tradition is not deteriorating. It's based on some people. Some people they are doing it.
Saying that in olden days they celebrate their marriage by the blessings of their parents, but nowadays they are celebrating their marriages in the registry office and calling their 2 or more friends. Is it necessary?
Yes. In olden days, you are saying that we are taking the blessings, that we are not targeting our relations, we are maintaining our relations as we are. I can say that deviation.
I am saying that they are not following the relations, but they are following the tradition.
No, they are
which has been coming from olden days.
They are following the traditions, but they are not at all lost their relations. And I can say that deviation not at all deterioration. I mean that in olden days technology was not developed at all. Just in far away the technology has been developed. People are changing their mindset, and but olden days to nowadays.
But in olden days they celebrate and married and sitting in one place. But nowadays they are seeing in internet and celebrating their marriage and
Reduce the mic.
No one. just some or the other belongings to that celebrating that, but just no, not at all. Some people prefer olden days marriages. I can agree that.
But due to technology, some tradition like clothing is lost. In olden days, ladies has to wear sarees, but nowadays they are wearing jeans and t-shirts. What is it?
I am saying that thus the people are just attracted, not only just following their goods and services, but not at all forgetting their goods and services.
Attracting means wearing that clothes are every day, no?
My friend, I will take a simple example. Recently, IPL matches were conducted
Okay.
in Abu Dhabi. It's Arab country. We have cheerleaders. They are fully dressed, but not in our country. Because why? In Arab countries, it's their culture. It's a culture to wear full dress. Their ladies are not to be short dressed or something. Their culture is it, and their laws also very strict to handle it.
You are comparing other country to our country, but our country is
Why Arab country is not developed? It is so well developed. There is so much.
our country has so many religions.
Well, they have also relations. They also kept relations.
No other countries don't have such type of religions. Only our country have such type of religions.
They give more value to the relationships in Arab countries. So they have technology developed so well. They are giving relationships.
But due to their tradition, they are following. But our traditions like jeans and t-shirts. Our tradition is sarees and lungis.
We are just adapting to the technology.
We are not adapting. We are following the culture.
To groom ourselves, man. To groom ourselves, to develop ourselves, and to be with.
By grooming ourselves, we are following the tradition.
To develop ourselves, there is no spoiling. We are just wearing the pajamas and kurtas and some occasions also. We can develop itself.
Someone that not every day now.
We cannot wear every day. No? It's right. We cannot wear it every day. We have to develop ourselves. So the technology developing. So all countries are developing. We have to develop ourselves. So we need to develop. So we are wearing our pants and t-shirts and the Western culture dresses. So we have to develop means.
But not only that, in marriages, in olden days, they wore kurta and dhotis, but nowadays they only wearing suits. It's a Western culture. Why should they come this side?
So we are not. India is developing. So other countries are developed. We have to adopt the technology to develop ourselves, but not our losing. We are not losing ourselves. We are not losing ourselves. We are just adapting to them to develop ourselves. We are not losing ourselves in culture.
I say that losing because of technology. We say that the dressing style, not only the dressing style manages in somewhat nowadays in villages also. There in olden days festivals are done in a grand way by all the relatives are coming to home and making some.
They are changing their mindset. Man. There is not. They give more relationship. They give more value to relationship. If you go to their houses, villages, how will they treat you?
Not only that.
So well. There also technology is developing because they are adapting to the technology. They have to develop because India is a developing country. They have to develop our technology, and technology has to develop. So the culture, no way lost. They are also adapting. They are giving more value to the relationships. They are doing some pujas and something all the while. They can make some.
Not only that, who are going to villages nowadays for functions or at least festivals, they are wishing them in the internet or in technology, but they are not going to home. And using technologies, they were losing their full tradition and the relationship are going lost.
No man, we are just adapting to that. We are just adapting to the culture. No, our culture is better than the other states and other religions. We give more value to the relationship. We give more value to the gods. We pray. We do worships. There is no chance of tradition, technology to raise the tradition.
We are praying gods. I said that technology not only discouraging the culture and tradition,
cultures change and all cultures changes over of time, but not its evaluating and not devaluing. It is a fact, but they are destroying culture, destroying someone. But in so many cultures, there are some of the examples like that. Some elders thinks that the younger generations were beyond their destroying on it now.
So you were trying to say technology not destroying the culture. What is the necessity of a disco dance and a club dance that will improve our technology or something our mind creativity or will improve our culture?
We are not destroying now. We will just following the culture and not being it.
So you were bringing the technology that is necessary to the humans. What is the importance of the clubs and that culture of the Western side?
That we are following. That generation nowadays we are following now.
Follow that. What are the necessities to keep the relations between the family or what?
Relation between with each other. There we respect each other, then we will interact with each other. Not only with what is there.
Interacting with each other in the club by drinking alcohol is an interaction or something in a keeping a relation culture with shaking speeds and home and going to other speeds.
Drinking and alcohol it is not a matter now. There is so many in olden days also there is now. In our India there is so many of drinkers like
There is no drinkers. It is come from the British Council from the 18th century. That's why it is spread all over India.
And before also
there is no
there is
need of alcohol. The alcohol is come from the Western style. There is no need in alcohol in India. That spoils the culture of India.
That's not a culture. It is just following. There is in before also.
Yeah, why there are
also there is a drunkers.
The truckers with this technology will spread this truckers into all the people. 10% of people truckers will convert it into 99% of the truckers.
No, not like that. There is one of the examples like the progress is knowledge is a progress, progress is a knowledge. That like the following the tradition, but not the restaurant culture.
I mean, says that India, to develop our India, we have to follow this all types of like a trade. We have to follow this technology. But due to technology, we have different changes like corruption and thieves. These are increasing in our country. What do you say?
It's not the problem of improvements of our technology. There to the
He
thieves
says
and all
that
that.
technology is helpful to develop our India. Through technology, these all malfunctions are occurring.
It's the bad uses of the technology of the specific people, but not all the people are following that. See, he gave the example of drinking alcohol, but in Western countries and all Europe and Africa, it is one way to maintain their health. That is, without drinking it, they cannot prosper well.
Well, while coming to America, their culture is drinking wine and spending with girls. But in our culture, there is no drinking and wearing traditional clothes. But in our India, we are following American culture. But in America, they are
It's
not
not
following our
following-
culture.
That
They are
we
not following our
just we
culture.
have liked that culture and somehow we have adapted to it, but not purely following and.
But they are not adapting our
traditions, they
culture.
are not
What is the reason behind it? But they are not adapting our culture. They are not wearing our saris and looking
Why? When many of the foreign people have come now settled in India.
like
and
1
they
or 2%.
are-
But in our India, 98% are using American culture.
You can see more Indians in America, and you can also have many foreigners in our
We can
states.
see our Indians in America, but they are not following our traditions in America also.
In that country, they should follow that tradition. So they are following
But in
that.
our country, we have to follow our tradition.
That's why the foreigners are following.
Like he
this,
said that improving our pubs, discos, and wearing different
It's
types
a
of
way of enjoyment,
dresses.
but not the pure spoiling of the tradition. Tradition is not
Without
limited.
spoiling our culture. Wearing small clothes.
But then you said that drinking is not in our culture. But ancient times, the kings, what did they do? They took the wine also. They gathered. They married so many girls. They like their queens. So there is no drinking.
In olden days, they have some persons very rich, but they drink. But nowadays, all Indians are like 50% Indians are
They're
drinking.
changing, man. They're changing their mindset. You can change them also. Because of the mindset they are thinking. Well, they can think of
Spoiling our health and spoiling.
If they think we have no marriage, we cannot drink. They
Spoiling our health and spoiling our beside us is our tradition and changing our mindsets. Because one person will smoke and one person will smoke and around 10% will spread that smoke and they affect that. What do you say that? It's our tradition and it's our.
No one will encourage that bad habits. Just they are thinking that you are saying that alcohol and smoking is not at all necessary. But we have to change our mindset. Just we are not for just we have to say just 1 or 2 times that.
In alcohol and cigarette there is one caption. It's harmful to our life, but our Indians are taking that too much. What do you say that?
We have not at all encouraging guys. We have to just follow just
In that having specifically it's harmful to health.
just yes I can say cigarette smoking is harmful, but we are not encouraging that. Just we are following, encouraging and follow. Just we have simple difference.